Hey everyone, Aaron from Ariens Co here, showing you how to replace the fuel filter on your Ariens APEX zero-turn mower. The fuel filter prevents contaminants from reaching your engine, keeping your power plant reliable this season and for seasons to come. But eventually that filter becomes clogged and loses its filtering capacity, meaning you'll need to change it about once every season or every 100 hours. And because this procedure involves disconnecting the fuel lines, remember to review the safety instructions in your operator's manual as well as your engine manual before we get started. If you rotate your seat forward, you'll notice the fuel filter between the fuel lines from the tank and to the engine. Close each hose off just beyond the red and the black clamps that secure the hoses to the ends of the filter. With the pliers, squeeze the red and the black clamps and move them off the fuel filter hose fittings. Now grab a small container and a rag to catch and clean up the small amount of fuel that will drip from the fuel lines and the filter once the filter is disconnected. Gently twist and pull the fuel lines away from the fuel filter, and do your best to catch the fuel that drips from the hoses and the filter. Allow the fuel to drain from the filter and wipe up any spilled fuel. Connect the new filter to the hoses and make sure the filter is in the right orientation. You'll notice there's a small black arrow on the filter. The filter should be installed so the arrow is pointing toward the engine. After the fuel lines are completely over the filter fittings, reposition the red and the black clamps over the fittings and remove the temporary clamps. Double check that the hoses are securely connected to the fuel filter and wipe up the area one final time to ensure any spilled fuel is cleaned up. As you can see, this procedure was pretty easy, but if you'd feel more comfortable having this done by a professional, you can reach out to your nearest Ariens dealer at ariens.com/dealers. But if you would like to do this service procedure on your own, you can find the replacement fuel filter part number for your unit in the service parts section of your operator's manual. You can find new fuel filters at your local Ariens dealer or at the Ariens online parts store at parts.ariens.com. And as always guys, if you like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, click on the Ariens logo in the lower right corner of the video to subscribe to our YouTube channel.